Hey guys, Colin here, and I wanted to talk about what I see as a huge buying opportunity. Now, first and foremost, I'm not your financial advisor. You have to do your own research. These are simply my opinions, and I'm just letting you guys know what I'm going to do. Of course, you know I have the forexmadesimple.club channel, which deals with forex trading, but I have also been a long-time cryptocurrency trader as well since 2016. So yeah, even before the bull run, right? That's how long I've been trading cryptocurrencies, and I've decided that I'm going to actually put a course together on cryptocurrency and my trading strategies for cryptocurrency as well. So that's going to be available very soon. That'll be more than likely on the. I'll just add that onto the forexmadesimple.club website, or who knows, I might create another one. We'll see. But I wanted to share this with you guys, and what I see, in my opinion, coming as some very huge returns. And a lot of times, for you to see what's going on, you need to simply look at the big picture. Zoom out, and let's look at this on the weekly. So this is Elastos. Okay, so of course you want to look up Elastos. Just go to coinmarketcap.com and you type in the ticker ELA, right? And that's Elastos right there. Okay, so that will actually take you to, you can click there to visit their websites and read their white paper and see everything that they're trying to get done. But from a buying perspective, I love what I see right here. You see, I know everybody is kind of FOMOing into Bitcoin and stuff right now, but um, the time to buy is when everyone is selling, right? When everyone is fearful. And so if you also notice, I'm looking at ELA BTC, right? So when this goes up, I'm going to be increasing my Bitcoin holdings, okay? Now, I have always seen over all of these years, everything happens in waves and like U patterns, right? So when you see something drop so heavily, just like when you see something skyrocket like this, you can pretty much be sure that it's going to come crashing back down. It's the very same way that when something comes crashing down, you better believe it's going to come back up, at least to the level where the major breakdown started happening. So here's what I look at right now. First and foremost, where we are right here on the weekly, and even more so, we zoom out on the monthly. Ooh, now this is something that it's a long-term trade, and it's something that I expect to materialize, I think, within the next year. Once again, that is my opinion. I could be completely wrong. I'm just giving you my perspective, but I'm looking at huge returns, I think, in about the next 6 to 12 months. First things first, the first stop that I see would be right around here. The first major stop around here, and that is nearly 800% right here. Okay, so first we would come up and form a U pattern, I think, right against this big red candle right here. All right, if you want to know what's going to happen, you just look left. Right, you just look left. So big resistance point here, which means when we come up to meet it again, more than likely we'll get an initial rejection right there at 97,000 satoshis. That is, like I said, that is over 800% gains from where we are right now. After we come down a little bit, we'd be looking again at here would be the next spot, in my opinion, which is 156,000 satoshis, which is almost 15,000. Let's see, 1,500%. Okay, 15x. And then after that, I would expect to come back down, gain support at this level, okay? Because what was initially resistance then becomes support when we break through it. So I would expect us then to come down and form resistance along this level. And then after that, guys, we're heading up. And the next major resistance is not until really right around here. 382,000 satoshis. So that is 3,800% returns. Now, once again, this is my opinion, but from trading in this space for 4 years now, and you know, I usually go for smaller gains, and when I say smaller gains in crypto, I normally look at like 60, anywhere between 60 to 150% is what I normally make on my trades. But once again, those are shorter time frames. I look for those within like 2 to 3 months. But with this one here, like I said, I'm looking for this like probably within 12 months or so. At the end of the day, because of this massive fall, you can be sure we are going to form a U pattern and we will see these levels again. I mean, here at 52, that's 50x, right? That's 50x. And it's not hard to think about those kinds of gains when you're talking about the bull run that's coming. It's already started now. You know, things have really changed since 2017 when so many organizations and corporations were calling it a scam, and that was, you know, simply because they hadn't found a way to really get into the space properly yet or to get their investors in. They've been building all of this quietly over the past couple of years that it's been in a bear market, and now it is about to take off. And when it does, and we're talking about Bitcoin itself, you know, getting to like $1 trillion market cap, the altcoins will soon follow. And that's where you get those really insane gains in the altcoin space. So, guys, I just wanted to share that. That has me pretty excited, pretty pumped. Pretty pumped. Now, look at that, right? I drew this resistance line on the monthly candle without even looking at the weekly candle to see where it was. And what do you see here? Look at this. Resistance, resistance, support, support, support. So this is a very significant area. So just, you know, from the onset, just where we are right now, you know, you're probably looking at, like I said, at least between 800 and 900% gains at the initial stop for this thing when it really starts to take off. So guys, that's something I just wanted to share, and once again, looking at my philosophy with that, I'm not really a trader on the 15-minute and the 30-minute time frames and stuff when it comes to crypto. When you're in a bull market, in my opinion, then you can kind of consider that a bit more, but I like stress-free trading and relatively stress-free trading, and you do that by trading on the bigger time frames because you expect a bigger market movement, and you know you just have to wait a little bit longer, but you just endure the ups and downs and the dips, etc. But really my win percentage is extremely high with crypto, so I can deal with that. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Once again, that's my opinion. If you're entering into that trade, you do so at your own risk. But if you end up making some massive profits from it, you can thank me later. All right, take care, guys.